Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Chili and I'm going to show you how to make a text effect of this kind. In our last video I have made this copy of animation without the text effect, and now I'm going to apply the text effect here, and for that I'm going to write the HTML file. Okay, so now here I'm going to apply a paragraph tag and closing it, and write h in that place, and now I'm pasting it about 10 times. Okay, and h a v e a c o o double f and double e. Okay, and deleting the others because we don't want it, and now I'm giving a id of space to it because we want some space between the three words of have, a and coffee. Okay, so I'm going to save it and reopening in the browser, and you can see this. And so we have to apply the CSS styling for it. Okay, and I'm also going to open one more tag called span tag and closing it, and giving the ID of text to it and writing some text. You can write any text here, and writing this: enjoy your day. Okay, and saving it and opening. Okay, you can see here. So now we have to apply some CSS styling for making it work. So first of all, I'm going to apply styling to our paragraph tag and setting the font size to 40 pixels and setting the text color to green and setting the float value to left and margin right to 3 pixels for some spacing between the words or the letters, and going to apply the animation of rotate, and it will last for 5 seconds and linear. Okay, and setting the position to relative for animation purposes, and setting the left value to 37% from the top, from the left, and 68% from the top to make it under the plate, or you can say our cup, and also giving some text shadow to 2 pixels 2 pixels and 5 pixels and of gray color. I'm saving it and opening in the browser. You can see this, there is not some effect because we have not written the necessary thing, so we have to write the other things. And I'm targeting with the and child property and targeting the even child, that will be 0, 2, 4 and 6, 8, and setting the text color to X color of 3300 dp, and once again for the odd childs I'm setting the text color to orange. Okay, so now I'm going to save it and opening, and you can see this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to give is orange, and targeting the nth child property with the nth child property, and targeting the first child, and giving the animation delay of 0 seconds for the first child. And I'm going to copy this and pasting it for 9 more times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, now for the 10th child, the animation delay will be of 1 second. For the 9th child, it will be 0 second. For this, it will be 1 second. For the 8th, for the 7th, it will be 0. For the 6th child, it will be 1. So I am alternating the animation delay for each and every word. It will be for 5th child, 4th child, it will be 1. And now for the 3rd child, it will be 0. And for the 2nd child, it will be 1 second animation delay. I'm saving it. Okay, and now for the ID of space, and I'm giving the margin right to 50 pixels, and also giving margin left to 50 pixels. This will create some space between our two words. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the keyframes animation. For the keyframes, name rotate at 0%. We want to transform and translate the y-axis from 0 pixels and rotate 0 degree. Okay, so I'm copying this and pasting it 2 more times, one for 50% and this will be for 100%. For 50% I'm going to set it transformation of y-axis to 40 pixels and rotating it 180 degrees, and at 100% or at the end of the animation I'm rotating it to 360 degrees and let it back to its main position. Okay, now for the ID of text, I'm setting the font size to 30 pixels and font family to Arial, and the text color to orange, and setting the position to absolute, and setting the top value to 30 pixels and setting the left value to 530 pixels from the left, and giving the animation of bounce, and it will last for 2 seconds. And now for the keyframes of bounce, now at 0% I want to transform and translate the y-axis from -60 pixels, and now I'm going to copy this and at 100% or at the end of the animation I'm setting the value to plus 30 pixels. Okay, now I'm saving it and opening in the browser. Okay, you can see this. but we don't want this kind of animation, so we have to. So now I have found the problem, and we have to end our div tag, and I'm cutting it and pasting it here. Sorry, we have to close our div tag that we have opened it. This was for the cup. Okay, and I'm going to save it and opening the CSS file, and this all will be for the text. Okay, this will be for the text, and now we are going to saving it and opening the browser and refreshing it. Okay, you can see that's on your screen that we have made a nice animation effect, and the words are rotating with a particular animation delay, and there are also hot waves, and the enjoy your day text is coming out from -60 degrees to +20 degrees. Okay, so now that's it for this video, and if you guys really enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in the very next video.